In this question, different statements regarding the halogens are given. We have to identify the incorrect statement from the options. In the first statement, it says that the acidic strength of the hydrogen halides decreases from hydrogen fluoride to hydrogen iodide. This is a wrong statement because acidic property can be explained as it is the ability of a substance to release the H plus ion. Among the halogen we know down the group the atomic size is increasing. When the atomic size is increasing from fluorine to iodine, it becomes easy to release the H plus ion because when atomic size is increasing, the bond strength between the hydrogen and halogen will decreases. So it is easy to break and easy to release the H plus ion. So hydrogen iodide can release the H plus ion easily and hydrogen fluoride cannot release the H plus ion that much easily because of the strength of hydrogen fluorine bond. So we can say hydrogen iodide will be more acidic than hydrogen bromide and hydrogen fluoride will be less acidic. So the correct order is HF is less acidic than HBr, which is less acidic than HCl, and hydrogen iodide is more acidic. So the first one is the incorrect statement and the correct order is as given here. The second statement says that fluorine exhibit -1 oxidation state whereas other halogen exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. This is a correct statement because due to the high electronegativity and small atomic size of fluorine, they are able to exhibit only -1 oxidation state. So this is a correct statement. In the third statement, it says that the enthalpy of dissociation of fluorine is smaller than that of chlorine. This is a correct statement because in fluorine molecule, the lone pair on the two fluorine atoms are close together. This will lead to a significant electron-electron repulsion. This repulsion weakens the fluorine-fluorine bond and making it easier to break comparing to that of the chlorine-chlorine bond. So we can say the fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy is smaller than that of the chlorine. And one more reason we can say the fluorine-fluorine bond is shorter than chlorine-chlorine bond because fluorine atoms are smaller. So option C is also a correct statement. The last statement is given as fluorine is a stronger oxidizing agent than chlorine. Oxidizing agents can undergo reduction process. So fluorine will easily undergo reduction and they will accept one electron to produce F- ion. This acceptance of electron is easier because of its small size and high electronegativity. So these fluoride ions are a good oxidizing agent than chlorine. So among these four options, option B is the right answer. That is the incorrect statement.